Today we will learn how to create a new billing entity in MiCLIENT. Go to the gear icon and click on Entity Details. Now click on Add New Entity. Enter the new entity name. Enter the entity sales tax. Enter the entity address. Upload the entity logo and click on Submit. This is how you create a new billing entity in MiCLIENT. Thank you.